Imagine never missing the shot again. Not because you're a skilled pilot, but because your drone captures everything, all at once. This is the Antigravity A1, the first drone bold enough to claim it's a true 360-degree flying camera. And it just might change what consumer drones are for. Before it even hits store shelves on December 4, the A1 has already collected some of the industry's biggest accolades, Time's Best Inventions and CES 2026's Best of Innovation. Awards don't guarantee success, but they usually point to one thing: technology worth paying attention to. Instead of pointing your camera and hoping you framed the perfect moment, the A1 takes a different approach. With dual fisheye lenses capturing 8K spherical video, it records the entire world around it, top to bottom, every direction. You decide the angle after the flight. That near collision you didn't notice? The mountain biker who appeared behind you. The cinematic turn you didn't time perfectly. It's all there, waiting. All of this lives inside a tiny 249-gram airframe, light enough to dodge heavier regulations in most countries, but still able to fly for up to 24 minutes, or nearly 40 with the high-capacity battery. It climbs and descends at 8 meters per second, holds steady in level 5 winds, and uses O4 transmission to link with the goggles for a clean, low-latency view. But the real shift isn't the camera, it's how you fly it. No joysticks, no steep learning curve, just a set of FPV goggles and a motion-controlled grip. Point where you want to go, and the drone follows. Look around freely with free motion while the A1 moves on its own path. Deep Track locks onto subjects automatically, and SkyPath lets you draw out entire flight routes instead of steering manually. Creators get another advantage: no tedious editing. Insta360's ecosystem can auto-generate polished clips for you. From travel shots that orbit like a floating glass sphere to dynamic biking footage you can crop in any orientation, vertical, horizontal, even ultra-wide, all from the same flight. There are trade-offs. Image quality will lean closer to today's 360 cameras than high-end camera drones. And because the A1 uses goggles, many regions still require a visual observer. So while anti-gravity promises accessibility, laws still shape what fly anywhere really means. Still, packing this much innovation into a sub-250G drone is no small feat. Whether the production model truly delivers, we're about to find out. December 4 is the real test.